Problem 6-32 on page M-168 follows the format on page M-162. This problem is an exercise in determining break-even and sales required to earn a target profit. This is a simple operation using the formulas prescribed in the book. For Dottie's Donuts, requirement A in the book asks to calculate how many dozen donuts must be sold each year to break even. The format on your screen lays out the formula from within the chapter. In the book, the annual fixed cost is listed at $385,000. That number goes just to the left of the cell containing the words divided by. Below that and to the left, the 99 cents charged per dozen donuts is entered. Over 2 cells to the right, the 22 cents of variable cost per dozen donuts is entered. The result is that 500,000 dozen donuts need to be sold to break even, which comes to $495,000 of sales. The formula is very simple, as it divides the gross margin, which we just saw illustrated in problem 6-19, into the annual fixed costs. However, the first formula doesn't allow for any profit. Requirement B asks for the same analysis with the addition of a projected profit of $35,000. The only difference in the formula is that the number being divided into is the sum of the fixed cost and the desired profit instead of just being the fixed cost. Using formulas, all of the other data from the prior requirement on the screen have been carried down. All that needs to be done is to put the $35,000 of desired profit into the cell between the words plus and divided by. The result is 545,455 dozen donuts, or a gross sales of $540,000.45. This 545,455 is actually the whole number above the $545,454.50 that the formula calculates. One thing to remember when doing break-even analysis is that most often the requirement is for sales of products. If the formula returns a number that is not an even number, you must always round up. For example, if the product being sold was pens, and the answer using the formula was 55.3 pens, the proper answer would be 56. While 0.3 looks good on paper, you can't sell 3/10 of a pen. In addition, if you only sell 55 pens, it doesn't generate quite enough revenue to break even.